Big payload, too.
Wow, 1,765 pounds. But who are you? What do they call you?
Melvin, Testamucker, Cedar Rapids, Iowa.
America's truck, built for tough. When you drive America's truck, there's one place you'll want to be.
On the road again. My Ford truck and me on the road again. Work or play, there can't be any tougher friend. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Just can't wait to see what's around the bend. When you drive a Ford, you're driving with a friend. My Ford truck and me on the road again.